happening, guys? Alright, cool. Yeah, eBay, like a month ago, it was a disaster. Like, none of the people that were winning auctions were showing up, like, on any auctions on all of eBay, but, I mean, it really affects me on breaks. There was a night where it wasn't showing up for, like, 3 hours. People winning auctions on breaks. It looks like tonight it's lagging, but it's not lagging super bad, so that's good at least. I'll send you a invoice right now. I just read your message. Yeah, I went through. Yeah, hold on, let me look. I mean, it's hard to tell because there's like 3 teams that say they went and sold, but they actually didn't. So I'm kind of waiting on them a little bit. But I know the Royals and the Rockies didn't get picked. Yeah, I just sent the invoice for $1 just now. So check in your cart and it should be in there. Yeah, Rockies and Royals are the teams that nobody bid on. Yeah, that's fine. I'll include it with the other teams for free. Just send me like $4 and I'll just waive the shipping. Yeah, Royals and Rockies are the only 2 teams that nobody bid on. All right, guys, let's get started here. We have a Topps Chrome 2020 Jumbo Hobby Box. Yeah, that's fine. You can send after. You've bid on my breaks before. 5 autos. So we have 12 packs, 13 cards in each pack, so 156 cards total. Should be some fire. Hopefully we get some nice hits on these autos. Blue Bob Red. Let's see what we'll get. I got lucky in my last break. I did a 10 Blaster 2021 break. I hit a Yelich camo. Nobody picked the Brewers, so that was nice. Yelich is my favorite player too, so. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck. We got a Whit Merrifield. Orlando Arcia. Luis Arai. Schwarber. Future Stars Yastrzemski. Cool, thanks, man. Ooh, we got a Trout win above replacement decades die cut card. Nice hit. DJ LeMahieu. I think that's his refractor. We got a Jesus Luzardo, 35-year. Brian Anderson. Sheldon Noose, rookie card. Trey Mancini. There we go. Randy. Just the base. Kevin Newman. So the Trout die cut card. These are hard to get in though. And we got a Randy Arozarena. I think he's going to dominate this year. Yeah, Lazard, dude. Oh, wow. Nice. That's a nice card. All right, we got Machado. We have a blue coming up. Vlad. Luis Castillo. Yelich. Victor Robles. All right, who's got the blue? Candelario. Blue. Number to 150. 15 to 150. Candelario. Meh. Luis Castillo. That is a refractor. Juan Soto, 35. Trey Mancini. There's a Trout base. Austin Meadows. And a Armenteros. I thought that was the last one. Guzman. Last one. Blue Candelario. Where the auto's hiding. Kershaw. Brandon Crawford. Gurriel. Future Stars Vlad. Looks like it's a prism, but it's not. Refractor. There we go. Freshman Flash for you. Lou Bob. Kevin Newman refractor. There we go. Bo Bichette. Hyper. Nice. Frozen. Yeah. Didn't say anything on the back. I don't know. It might be. RG, you know better than I do. Usually it would say on the back of it something, I thought. Same with the Freshman Flash, looks like special too. So I don't know. It might be. Looks different than normal. Matt Olson. Devers. Freddie Freeman. Nicky Lopez and a Goldie. Nice Bichette. On which one? I know they're all different on the Freshman Flash. And the Lou Bob is 654. The Future Stars is 648. I mean, usually it would say if it's like a refractor or something special on the back, wouldn't it? It didn't say anything, but it did look different. Nelson Cruz, Anthony Rizzo, DJ LeMahieu, Dylan Cease, Kyle Seager, Freshman Flash, Luzardo. That's also 654. Brian Anderson. We have another hyper. It's Robel Garcia. Nick Solak. Rookie card. Eric Hosmer. Logan Allen. Jeff McNeil. Zach Gallen. Yeah, I like that Bichette. Maybe like 3 or 4 packs in. We haven't hit an auto yet. It's coming. Hunter Dozier. Michael Baez. No autos yet, no. Aaron Nola. Yamamoto rookie card. Santander. Andres Munoz. Woo, there we go. Tatis. It's like the negative card. Nice hit. Anthony Rizzo. Refractor. Gavin Lux. 35-year. That's like perfectly centered. Giolito. Archie Bradley. George Springer. JD Martinez. The last two is sticking together. Austin Nola. Joey Gallo. It's been a long time since I've done a Topps Chrome break. So I'm like trying to jog my memory of what the cards are called. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. 5 Chrome autos per box. Isan Diaz. Harold Ramirez. Liam Hendricks. Nick Senzel. Castanheira. Ooh. Auto number 1. It is a White Sox, not Lou Bob though. Dylan Cease. Vlad. Refractor. Very nice. Chris Bryant, 35. Miguel Rojas. There's a Dustin May. Oscar. Junior Fernandez rookie card and a Brian Reynolds. Yeah, wrong socks. Still a rookie card. I think he's like semi-highly rated, isn't he? These are not going in the top loaders very easily. Nice Vlad. I like that Tatis. Let me put that Tatis in a top loader. And I'll hit him in later. All right, 1 auto down. Juan Soto. Garcia. Pablo Lopez. There's a Bo Bichette base. Jeff Samardzija. There's auto number 2, Yamamoto. Marlins. Ooh, there we go. There's a Reyna refractor. Man, we're hitting a lot of the good rookies and refractors. Ozzie Albies Hyper. Bobby Bradley. Shin-Soo Choo. Abraham Toro. Rhys Hoskins. Justin Dunn. Yeah, Yamamoto. That one's going easy for some reason. Some of them aren't. Some of them are. Nice Bichette. And auto 2 is Yamamoto, who started out super hot last year and cooled down at the end of the year. Super frag. We'll see. 2 auto packs in a row. All right, Max Kepler, Cody Bellinger, Brandon Belt, Gonsolin, Kingery, who got sent down. There's a freshman flash, Jordan. Yep, they all end in 654. Trey Mancini, refractor. Pablo Lopez. Albert Alzolay. There's a Pete Alonso Gold Cup. Jake Rogers rookie card. Syndergaard and Leba. Not the best pack there. There's a Jordan. Carlos Santana. Marcus Semien. Xander Bogaerts. There's an Acuna. Auto 3, Nick Solak. Matt Olson, refractor. Matthew Boyd, hyper. Aaron Judge. Corey Seager. There's an Aquino rookie. Kikuchi. And Morahan. Rookie 3 goes to Texas. Texas. In the chat. Got an auto. Two autos to go still. Dubon. John Means. Seth Brown. Conforto. Carter Kieboom. Ted Williams, die cut. There's a sweet Christian Yelich refractor. Eloy Jimenez, 35. Chris Paddock. Demert. Colin Moran. Alex Bregman. Benintendi. We got 2 packs to go, and we have 2 autos left. Gratterall Arena. There's a Nico Horner. Jose Ramirez. Alex Young. Auto 4 is a Keen Yip Wong. That's Colton Wong's brother, I think. Meh. Sheldon Noose. Benintendi. Hyper. We just got one in the first pack. I think that was it. The Candelario. Ozzy Albies, Matthew Boyd, Jack Flaherty, Jose Abreu, and a Robbie Ray. Yeah, that Candelario I think was the only one. Last pack should have an auto. And we had the negative too. That probably takes place for a colored card. Chapman. Joey Votto. I'll look. I didn't think it was. Lorenzo Cain. Candelario. Josh Hader. There it is. Jesus Luzardo auto. Nice. No Lubob, but a nice Luzardo. It's a refractor too. Numbered 224, 499. Best card of the night. I'll go back and look. It probably was. Nelson Cruz. Rhys Hoskins. Carter Kieboom. There's a Kyle Lewis finally. Mitch Haniger. And a Gavin Lux finally. With a Lindor. Yeah, the Sheldon Noose was a refractor. Yeah, it took to the end to get that Lewis. Yeah, they're going to let him start this year and put like no restrictions on Luzardo. Hopefully. He's got the talent. I'll do a review here quick. All right. We have the Gavin Lux base, Kyle Lewis base, Keen Wong auto, Christian Yelich refractor, Ted Williams die cut, Jordan, Freshman Flash, and base. We have the Bo Bichette base. Gavin Lux, 35. Freshman Flash of Luzardo. Vlad, Future Stars. Lou Bob, Freshman Flash. We have the Candelario numbered to 150, blue. Soto, Castilla, Randy Arozarena, base. We have the Trout. Yeah. Hold on a sec. Luzardo, numbered to 499 on card auto. Very nice. Nick Solak auto. Yamamoto. We have the Arozarena refractor. Tatis negative. Vlad refractor. Dylan Cease. The Bo Bichette hyper. Where is that? Lou Bob. To me, it looks like different shiny than normal, but also I can send you a picture of it otherwise. It's numbered, the last three numbers are 654, but all the freshman flasks are 654. Doesn't say refractor anywhere. Yeah, I know they're inserts, but like this one looks different than the other inserts, but I don't know. It looks different than the other freshman flashes to me. Like this one, it's like a different type of color, but I don't know. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it. I'll get these shipped out tomorrow night for you guys. Yeah, the Tatis was nice. That and the Luzardo probably. Thanks for joining, guys. I'll put the replay up right away on this Instagram as well as my YouTube page. You can DM me if you guys have any questions on anything. Otherwise, yeah, we'll get this shipped out tomorrow. Take care, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good night. I will. I'll pack it well.